Hi babes, welcome back to the channel. My name is Shannon for BrownGirlBella, where luxury meets laughter and beauty meets banter. I'm so glad to have you back. I'm vlogging today because I got a couple of boxes from my UPS store. One is a PR package, and so I thought I would open it up for you down here and talk a little bit about them. So the PR package is from Dermelect, my new friends. And when I was reading the box, it says on the box, flawless, high maintenance, smooth, makeover, savior, luminous, timeless, self-esteem, empower, and confidence. And I said to myself, they know me. They really know me. So thank you to my new friends at Dermelect. The reason why they sent me this package, which in full transparency, they did send me the package before, but they sent it to the wrong address. So they resent the package. And when they resent it, as we were dialoguing back and forth, I was telling them about two other products that I really, really love for a future BrownGirlBella video that I am doing. And so they were kind enough to send me those two products as well, since I am totally out of it and I really, really love them. So that is going to be in an upcoming video talking about my nighttime routine. But the reason why they sent me this package originally was because they want me to try their Dermelect extracts. It is a soy nail polish remover, and they sent 10 individual packets. Now, if you know anything about me, babes, you know I love nail polish, and I'm quite often painting my own nails. I do go to the salon maybe once a month, sometimes twice a month, to get a manicure and pedicure. But for the most part, I do my manicures myself, and I just go to get my pedicures done and then, add on the manicure to that. So these soy nail polish removers, let me read to you what it says. It says one wipe will clean all 10 nails. It wipes safely and effectively and takes off all of your nail polish and preps your nails. Oh, that's great. All without the use of any offensive, toxic, or harmful ingredients. The proprietary Good For You formula pampers your skin with protein peptides. Oh, that is excellent for your skin and your nails, babes. Organic soy, also very good. Vitamins and essential oils, leaving them fortified, nourished, and ready for polish. Individually wrapped, mess-free, and perfect for travel. So as we're traveling in the spring and summer and you want to do a quick change or take off your nail polish, pack these in your makeup bags as well. So the application is to run the wipe onto the nails, allowing the formula to set for 10-15 seconds per nail. Wipe each nail again until the polish is completely removed. Wash hands thoroughly afterwards. Note that the nail bed should be clean and dry before applying nail polish. So it gently and successfully removes all shades of nail polish, lacquer, non-UV gel polish, and glitter polish. That is really important to know, babes, because sometimes I do like to dabble in a little glitter. So that's great that this will successfully remove it. It's also consciously formulated. It says it has protein peptide, soy, jojoba oil, vitamin E, and grapefruit seed extract. Okay, so that is so good. And then on this side, it says it has protein, peptide, soy, and vitamin infused. It's gentle and non-stripping. That's important also because a lot of times these nail polish removers will strip your nail bed, making them dry, making them cracked and susceptible to hangnails and lack of growth and all of those things. And I'm trying to grow out my nails, so I'm being very, very cautious about what I put on them. So this is great. It also is acetone free, perfect. Alcohol free, also perfect. Non-toxic and odorless. As we said, it's on the go and travel friendly, and this is cruelty free and vegan, babes. Awesome. All right, so let's see how they work. So I'm gonna rip off the top, and we're gonna take it out. Okay. And this is the full sheet. And so I'm just gonna start with my first nail. The nail says let it sit for like 10-15 seconds. All right, so that has been 15 seconds, babes. And I want you to see this nail. Look at that. Not only is it off, but it looks so shiny on. So it's important to keep it on for 15 seconds, just holding it, and then you start to wipe and take it off. But I love, look how shiny it made that nail. That is awesome. I love this already. Very nice. So I wonder if I'm gonna need to use cuticle oil, because I feel like it's already kind of enhanced with the oils that you would need to push back your cuticles. I'm gonna use a little bit of mine just, you know, as a added safety precaution. You can never be too safe when it comes to your nails. And like I said, I'm really trying to grow my nails out, but I am loving how quickly and how easily this is coming off. So just hold it for 15 seconds. And it's a very pleasant formula. It doesn't smell like very overpowering or anything. It has a nice, clean smell to it. And again, I am loving how shiny it is making my nails. Like, this looks beautiful. I can see why they say only use one of these, because there's enough product in here to do all 10 nails at one time. And I've had this polish on for about 2 weeks. What I like to do when I'm doing my own nails is I like to, after I've used the nails the second day, I will go in and put another top coat on or another layer of this if I feel like it needs it. This time, you know, because I'm using a lighter nail polish, I did use 3 coats. And then in between every other day, I would use a top coat to make them stay shiny. So it lasted for about 2 weeks before it started to chip. But oh my gosh, this is amazing. And then if you're like me and you've done several layers, sometimes you'll have like little residue on the sides of your nails. Took it off very easy. No muss, no fuss. This is going to be such a great time saver. I really feel like this formula is very kind to the cuticles, because though I can see them, they don't look and feel rough like they usually do when I'm using, let's say, a non-acetone or an acetone nail polish remover, which you shouldn't use acetone. You should always try to use non-acetone. I use the one formulated for natural nails, which aren't supposed to have acetone, but I really feel like they have a little bit of it in there. but this one does not give me that feeling at all. This is very, very nice. And you can smell a little bit of the jojoba and grapeseed oil. It's working beautifully. Letting it sit there on the last nail. Really good, really good. That took all of what, 5 minutes, less than, to do? Who doesn't want to reclaim their time? I know I do. And if this helps, I'm all for it. And so far, it is very, very good. Last nail, here we go. And the last bit of residue is off the nail. Look at that. 10 clean, moisturized, and polish-free nails. Thank you, Dermelect. This is amazing. I'm just rubbing the rest of this goodness all along my cuticles. I'm gonna wash. Okay, babes, so I'm going to go wash my hands now, and I'll be right back. Hold, please. Hold, please. Okay, babes, in real time, we now have clean and dry fingernails. I went off camera and washed my hands. Final words and thoughts on this Dermelect 3-in-1 formula. I love it. I absolutely love it. Thank you so much, Dermelect, for allowing me to try your product, because this is amazing. So it's fragrance free, but I do smell like a little bit of the grapeseed oil. But again, it doesn't smell overpowering. It's very light and pleasant, but it's effective. And you know, that's what we talk about a lot here on this channel is it going to be effective? Is it going to enhance my life in any way? And so to that, I'm going to say it most definitely will. This definitely cuts out the time that you're gonna need to take off your nail polish. So especially if you are my natural nails girls, not so much with the UV formula. So if you have those UV nails or the dip powder nails, you're probably gonna have to soak your nails in acetone. I know I used to be one of those girls too, but for me, I just can't handle, you know, the UV rays, and I couldn't handle anymore the dip polishes and all of that. So it just got to be too much. The smell started giving me headaches and things like that. So going natural for me was, you know, more than, you know, just a choice. It was a lifestyle and a health choice. But if you still, you know, can do your nails that way, no judgment zone here. But for my natural nail girls, please consider this. So I'm gonna leave in the description box below all of the details on how you can get your hands on the Dermelect Soy Nail Polish Remover. It is a 3-in-1. It's going to help you immensely in taking off your nail polish quickly, easily, and most importantly, without damaging the nail bed, which is oh so important, babes. So until next time, you have now been Bellafied. Take care, and I'll see you back here soon. Brown Girl Bella.